Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who loves glowing healthy skin, you are in for a treat today. We are talking about one of my favorite skincare essentials, the Forever Aloe Scrub. Let's dive into why this little tube of goodness is a game changer, how you can use it for radiant skin. Forever Aloe Scrub is a gently exfoliator packed with microbeads made from jojoba and pure stabilized aloe vera gel. Unlike Hara Scrub, this one suitable for all skin types, yes, even sensitive skin. The natural jojoba beads help to remove dead skin cells and impurities without damaging your skin barrier. Meanwhile, aloe vera soothes, hydrates, and promotes a healthy fresh look. Gently explodes without irritation, deep cleans pores, leaves skin soft and refreshed, suitable for both face and body. Prepares your skin for better absorption of other products. How to use it? It is a it is super simple. Start with a clean, damp face. Take a small amount of aloe scrub and gently massage in circular motion. Avoid the eye area. Focus on areas prone to blackheads or dullness like the nose and forehead. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. I have personally noticed my skin feels smoother, look brighter, and my makeup even applies better after using this. It is gently enough for regular use but gives that instant fresh face feel. If you are looking for a natural and effective exfoliator, I highly recommend giving Forever Aloe Scrub a try. And do not forget, hit the like button, subscribe for more skincare tips, and let me know in the comment what your favorite forever product is. Until next time, stay glowing, stay confident.